This just goes to show when some of y'all are sleeping out here, others is out here working and getting it done. Don't nobody have time to be snowed in. Don't nobody have time to be snowed in. The snow is pretty though, but I'm not about to be snowed in. Oh nah. So when some of y'all got this. I'm not about to be hurting my back shoveling 2 feet of snow. Nah, nah. That's not what's about to go down. But if any of y'all need help forging your way out of the elements, y'all, you can hail a brother. I might be able to help you forge for a fee. But yeah, good luck with that.